Hey guys, it's me Jessica and you're watching Lifestyle with Jess. Hope you all are fine and good. Here I am with a new video of mine. In my previous video, I crimpered my hair. So I thought I should share with you because I crimpered my hair without heat. So here I am to sharing that. Let's get in the video. Okay guys, for hair crimping, I need this hair bands and styling comb. First, I will divide my hairs into two parts. Then I will take a little section of my hairs, dam it with water and make it flat. It's so simple, you just have to make it flat. A little small section of your hairs and make the flat. Now at the end, take the rubber band and tie it. And here we are done. Again, take the section. Dam it with water. Take the styling comb and comb it. Divide it into 3 parts and make the flat. Make the flat tight. Now again take the rubber band and tie your hairs. Again take the section. Dam it with water. जरा से डैम करने की ना ज़्यादा wet हो ना ज़्यादा dry हो. Just normal. Okay guys, I'm done with these 4 plaits and I show you how you can make this. I will make plaits of my other hair and come quickly. Okay guys, I'm done with my these plaits. One thing more I want to tell you. Now so many girls will say we don't have that much time to make this plaits. So I just had 20 minutes to make this plaits and I make it by my own self. If someone there to help you out, it can save your further time. Or you can make more thicker plaits to save your time. So now it's time to take a nap. Let's go to sleep now. Hey guys, good morning. Now it's time to open our hairs and see the shocking results. First time remove my all bands or you just cut it out. Okay guys, you can see it's looking so beautiful. For making it more long lasting, I will use hairspray. I'm using Nova Gold hairspray. Okay guys, I'm done with my these beautiful hair. It's come out really beautifully. You can see that. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी आने वाली वीडियोस आपको मिलती रहें. Bye bye.